Um, Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is Friday. We have been suffering with some sort of illness all week. Tested for COVID, it wasn't COVID, just I guess one of the many flus that are going around lately. All three of us are sick. I've probably gotten the worst of it. Clara has been super snotty and coughing, and she threw up once. And yeah, so anyways, tonight is Friday night. In my last video we bought steaks to have our date night dinner, and even though we're sick, we're still gonna have our date night dinner. So the steaks are on the sous vide right now. I'll kind of show you. Jamie wanted you to see this, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is the sous vide. For those of you who don't know, you essentially just boil your meat in the water until it gets to the proper temperature. So we like our steaks to be like medium rare. So we will boil it in the water until it comes to temperature, and then I think it's raining outside. It's been like kind of a crappy day. We will cook them in the cast iron pan instead of on the barbecue, which kind of makes Jamie sad. It's the first time we're cooking steak in the new house and he can't use his barbecue. There he is, just dreaming of his barbecue over here.
It's all wet and sad looking.
Yeah, it's rainy outside. Anyways, yeah, that's what's going on tonight.
Fun.
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're old enough. Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.
So we have an appetizer of escargot and some fresh bread. I'm sorry, I just had a coughing attack. Still going, kind of. So yeah, escargot and fresh bread. And I think we're gonna have our Caesar salad with it as well. We have a nice wine for dinner. This is a Blanco Noir. I don't actually know if it goes with steak, but We're having it because it's what was upstairs. And we're listening to some Christmas jazz music, getting in the spirit. It's November 11th. Clara, are you gonna have some escargot? Go. Clara is only joining us for this course, so we cut her up some cheese. Jamie took the crust off the bread, and she's gonna have some escargot. We also have some hot dogs on standby in case she doesn't like the escargot or doesn't want it. Okay, no, get down. It still tastes like Caesar. Was that yummy, Clara?
You have to blow.
Blow on them. Well, we just finished course number 1. Clara did eat more escargot than I had thought she would. And then she decided to scream that she was all done and took a poo, so she is sitting like this in her chair. Part of the reason why she's not joining us for dinner is just because she likes to do things like that. She will sit in her chair and scream that she's all done, and then we have to let her out and watch her, and she disturbs our dinner. And yeah, she'll poop in the middle of dinner. So.
But it's very romantic.
Yeah, not the most romantic for date night. So yeah, we're gonna clean her up, get her dressed for bed, give her milk, and put her to bed, and then continue on with dinner. Clara is in bed now. She's not asleep yet, but she is in bed. Or have the hockey game on, because it's not like being out on date night with the hockey game on. And Jamie is going to cook up the steaks, and the vegetables are in the oven right now. And we'll have our second course.
What?
I'm gonna say you're gonna lose the bag.
Well, you're supposedly sealed it.
Feel the mystic vibes, the essence of the brainwaves as he gets ready.
Alright, our steak and our vegetables are all done. Now it's just time to taste test them. We're having a dark romantic dinner by candlelight.
Like in the keg.
Your steak.
You're not allowed to know how it tastes. It looks.
Playing career, highlighted by the centerpiece of the first all-black line in semi-pro hockey, with his brother Ossie Carnegie and Manny McIntyre. In 1949, he joined the Quebec Aces, where he would mentor John Beliveau, and together they would capture the QHL championship. After his retirement from hockey in 1954,
This tastes pretty
he
good.
founded the Future Aces, one of Canada's
Cooked
first
perfectly.
schools. In 1956, he would continue his legacy of inspiration by introducing the Future Aces Creed.
So we finished dinner and we sat and watched the first period of the hockey game. Now I'm gonna make some dessert. I decided that I wanted ice cream. And I found a recipe for a homemade blizzard. And since we have some Halloween kind of candy left over, I figured that would work out pretty well. So we have some Kit Kats, some Aero, and some Twix. I'm gonna cut these up and I'm gonna put them in the ice cream. I'm gonna make soft serve ice cream just by taking some ice cream that we have in the freezer and putting it in our KitchenAid mixer and just turning it with the paddle mixer for a few minutes until it becomes like soft serve, and then we'll mix in the chocolate. Alright, here is how our blizzards kind of turned out. I mixed it probably a little bit longer than I was supposed to, but I don't mind a little melty ice cream. I think it's going to be delicious.
That's why we built our sportsbook app for Ontario with more.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Working days and a happy night. With steel chainsaws starting at only $249.99. Plus, for a limited time, save $70 when you purchase a Wood Pro kit. Now only
What do you think of my ice cream?
Yeah, it's very emotional. I mean,
Very
obviously
good.
seeing,
I thought it was pretty good too. Didn't cost nearly as much as a blizzard would have, so I guess that's a bonus. Anyways, we're gonna sit here and finish watching the hockey game. I don't think we'll watch a movie afterwards. Maybe like a couple episodes of Seinfeld or something, and then we're gonna head to bed. I hope that you enjoyed our Friday night date night vlog. If you did, please give it a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.